I would just like to finish this with just mentioning a couple of things, and I think that is more words that we heard from the panelists that I think that I would like you to take from this. The first thing is that the G20, the major thing is to reach consensus. So that is, I think that what we heard is their goal, is their objective. And then what we heard as well is that this research consensus should be based in evidence. So it has to be science-based. We should invest in new data, better data, and data that we can compare in between countries as well, so that we can come up with a real solution to the problems. And then some of the themes that we heard that they are going to be interesting to talk about is food loss and waste. It seems that with that one we can cover some problems of not only the production side, so the farmers, but also the consumer side. Then include nutrition into the definition of food security, so that we should connect both words together, not just talked about food security, but it's food security and nutrition what matters these days. And then the last thing of the good agricultural practices, I think that Agustin brought something very important to the table. And again, we need to build indicators and then be able to create the right incentives to use the scarce natural resources that we have in this world, to use them in the better way and in a sustainable way. And then the last thing is how we're going to finance all this, and that is something that Eugenio also talked about. So with this, just let me finish. Thank you very much, and we're here if anybody else will have to have some other questions for the panelists. Thank you.